In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Shopify product link. Sharing a direct link to a product is one of the simplest ways to drive shoppers straight to the page where they can learn more and make a purchase. Whether you're posting on social media, sending an email, or replying to a customer question, having that exact link ready saves time and prevents confusion. Start by opening the Shopify website in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so everything in your workspace is visible and responsive. Once you're in, look for products and click it. This takes you to your product list, which shows every item you've added to your store. Next, select the specific product you want to share and click it to open its details. Taking a second to confirm you've chosen the correct item is helpful, especially if you have multiple similar products or variants. You want to make sure the link you share matches the product you intend to promote. With the product page open, scroll down until you see the area where the product link or URL is shown. Depending on your setup, this may appear as the product URL or a link preview section. The goal here is simple. Locate the link that customers will use to reach this product page. When you find it, highlight the entire link. Be precise when selecting it so you don't miss any characters at the beginning or end. Now, copy the link. You can do this by right-clicking the highlighted text and choosing Copy, or by using your keyboard shortcut to copy. This is sometimes referred to as copying the code or URL. Before you move on, it's a good idea to quickly paste the link into a new browser tab to confirm it opens the correct product page. If it loads properly and shows the product as intended, you're all set. Finally, share it wherever you need. Paste the link into a social caption, an email, a chat message, or your marketing materials. Keep your wording clear so people know exactly what they're clicking, and consider adding a brief note about what makes the product special to encourage clicks. If you update the product title or handle later, remember to revisit this process to copy the most current link. And when you share, avoid including any private preview links. Stick to the public product URL so your audience can access it without any issues. That's it. You've opened Shopify, clicked products, selected your item, scrolled to find the link, highlighted and copied it, and shared it with your audience.